Okay, so I'm going to show you all what happened when I give these parrotfish bloodworms. They go crazy over bloodworms. So here's my bloodworms. I'm going to go ahead and take them out right now and feed them to them in the ice cube form. I just kind of do this like once a week just to, normally I melt it all the way, but I do this like once a week just to have them fight over it, because it's kind of not, they don't fight for real. Well, you'll see what's going to happen. They're going to go crazy over it. I also feed them regular food afterwards, so the smaller ones get food. But check this out. I'm going to put some in the tank now. Normally they get a little crazier than that. But so that was parrotfish eating bloodworms. Thanks for watching.